What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel, The Tech Guy. Hope you guys are okay. And before I start the video, please like and subscribe. It will help the channel grow and it will help to get further tech on the channel. I've been a bit inactive due to housework, due to other work commitments, but in today's video we have a large selection of iPhone 5, iPhone 5S, iPhone 4S, iPhone 6s that I picked up from Facebook. Very cheap actually. It's literally they might as well given away free. That's how cheap it was. So what I'll do is I'm going to go through each individual iPhone and see whether these are functional iPhones, whether the iCloud locked, whether I can repair them or get rid of them. So yeah, without further ado, let's get on with the video. So guys, the first phone out of the hat, should we say, is the iPhone 6. It looks to have a different colour screen on there. As you can see, the Touch ID is black and the screen is white. It's got a crack on it, so I've briefly charged it. It took a bit of charge. I haven't turned it on yet, so moment of truth. Let's have a look. Zoom out a bit. Okay, just gonna leave it there. Seems to be coming on. Although the crack doesn't look like it's damaged the LCD. It's probably just a digitizer. I'm not sure if that Touch ID is going to work if it's a completely different colour. But a bit scratched, so let's have a look. Okay, so we've got the setup screen, so I'm going to go ahead and set it up. I'm connected to my Wi-Fi. I don't have any SIM cards to try at the minute to hand, so okay. So quick start setup manually. I'm just going to connect to my Wi-Fi, so I'm just going to take this off camera. Just bear with me a second while I put my secure password for my Wi-Fi in. Believe it or not, it's 24 characters long. Check that for security. Well, that's what you get when you're a network engineer. You have to. Yeah, you can't compromise security. So here we are. Okay. Moment of truth. Is it iCloud locked? Will it work? Who knows? Come on. Honestly, these phones cost me peanuts. Oh, wow, okay. Okay. Continue. Okay, that's good. Touch ID. Should we try it? Let's have a go. Oh wow, okay. That's taken me by surprise. That works. So it's the actual LCD that's been replaced. The Touch ID is working perfectly fine. Great. Adjust your grip. The button feels like it's gone in, so here we are. It's gone in. There's no kind of click to it. So I'll probably have to sort that out, to be honest. Password, okay. Cancel. Okay, I'll just put a 4-digit random password in. Use anyway. 0000. Don't transfer any data. Don't have an ID, so I'll set up later. Okay, don't use. Continue. Oh, continue. Don't share. Choose a view. Just standard. Keep it standard. Get started. Oh wow, okay, that actually works. Quite impressive. So the first phone in the job lot actually works, an iPhone 6. Let's have a look. not seeing how big the storage is. So it's a 16 gig. Okay, not bad. Carrier, no, not available. I'm going to try SIM carding that later, and I'll keep you guys updated. So the iPhone 6 in the batch actually works. Okay, so I'm going to keep that to the side as a working phone, and I'm going to carry on and try the rest. Right, guys, next phone on the list is an iPhone SE. Looks to be in pretty decent condition. As you can see, the battery's a bit low, so I've just left it on charge for a bit, and we'll go and see if we can activate this or whether it's iCloud locked. If it is, not a problem. The actual the casing and the screen may be okay. Probably resell it. So here we go. Okay, screen looks a bit faint, so I wonder whether that's had a screen replacement, because it doesn't really look genuine, should I say. It's like them cheap OEM ones you get off eBay. So here we go. Okay, yeah. So manually, okay, I'm just going to connect to Wi-Fi. Second. Sorry about this long password business, but you have to. Okay. It's connected. Click next. Second. Is it iCloud locked? Yes, it is. Not a problem. Not a major issue, because what I can do is probably strip it and sell the casing at least, because it's in really good condition. And I think the battery life, hopefully battery life will be okay as well. The screen, not so good, to be honest. I could probably use the speaker out of it and get rid of this stuff that's functional. So yeah, we'll put that to the side, and we'll put partially working, iCloud locked from the job lot. So we'll move on to the next phone now. Okay, guys, next on the list is another iPhone SE. Looks to be in immaculate condition. I've given it a bit of a charge, so let's go ahead and see if this works as well. So turn it on. Okay. Give a second to think about it. Quite impressed with this one, actually. It's really good, not even a mark on it. So English, United Kingdom. Set up manually. Connect to my Wi-Fi. Bear with me a second. Right, okay, so join the Wi-Fi. Oh, incorrect password, okay. Let's try again. It doesn't help that I've got a long password, and the keypad on this iPhone is quite small compared to my hands, so give it another try. It's going to work this time? Are you going to work this time? I think it is, yes. Let's have a look. Come on. Are you iCloud locked, or are you not? Thinking about it. Okay. You thinking about it? Are you thinking about it? Are you locked? Are you locked? Oh, cool. We're in. Ah, okay, the Touch ID doesn't work. Not a problem. So we'll go ahead and see if it actually, don't use password, if it works. Don't transfer, set up later, don't use, okay. Agree. Don't need any of that, just to test it. Set up later, don't need Siri. Not now, continue. God's sake, so many menus. Dock, I like dock screen. Oh wow, okay, so we're in. Let's see how, what are the specifications of this iPhone SE? Oh, so it's 16 gig. And what I'll do, I'll try a SIM card in that later on and see if that actually works. So for the most part, it seems like we have a functional iPhone SE, but obviously the Touch ID doesn't work. So it must have had a screen replacement at some point. Although it does look like a genuine screen, so I might need to look into that further. It might just be something inside needs cleaning or some ribbon cable that's come off. I'm gonna inspect that later. So I'm gonna put that on the working pile, and we'll move on to the next iPhone. Okay, guys, so the next phone is the iPhone 5C, I believe, in white. So this one's got a smash screen. So it does come on. So we'll go ahead and see if we can activate it and whether it does work. This one, okay. Okay, so this one has a damaged screen, LCD, sorry, digitizer, beg your pardon. So we can't continue with this, and what I'll do is I will see if I can get a working LCD to see if we can bypass that. So I'll put that one on the unsure pile. So for the most part, I think it looks like it's in good condition. The casing's okay, but other than that, the damaged screen, you can replace that off eBay for like less than a tenner or so. So I'll put that on unsure, maybe working, and we'll see if that does work in the next future video. What I'll do is I'll stop there because I'm conscious about the time. The video is probably going to be about 15 minutes long, 20 minutes long, and I don't want to be stretching the video out too much, so I'll split this into two parts. So for the most part, we have the iPhone SE, which is iCloud locked. I could probably use the casing and phone, the internal battery, etc. for under the repair video. So although it's iCloud locked, I'll put it on the faulty pile. We have 3 working phones. Well, 2 we know that work. So the iPhone 6 just needs an LCD, and I can probably get rid of that. I could get rid of it at a decent price. The iPhone SE Black one has a faulty Touch ID, and the rest of the phone works perfectly fine. I tested the SIM card in there and it works perfectly fine. Really good condition, so I can get rid of that as well, not a problem. Although I'm unsure about the iPhone 5C, I'll just need to get an LCD that fits that phone. So, and I've got another 5 phones remaining actually. One's just getting restored over there. We've got an iPhone 4S, haven't tested that yet. iPhone 5, not tested that yet. We have an iPhone 5 again, not tested that. I believe we've got an iPhone 5S. So what I'll do is I'll leave that for another video and see whether these phones actually work. I've got 2 boxes as well in the Facebook ad. One's got a ear headphone in, brand new, and that works. So what I'll do is I'll make a part 2 to this. So guys, please stay tuned. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Although I've had the channel for many years, I've not posted very much content on here. So if you like these kind of videos, please like, subscribe. I've got over 600 phones upstairs, from classic Nokia phones to if you were in the 80s and 90s, you'll remember the old, Sony Ericsson phones, the big bricks and stuff. So I've got many phones to kind of restore, and I'll be posting regular content on this channel. If you want me to do anything specific, any repairs, or if you want to see, like a vlog or something, please comment below. I always listen to kind of comments from my subscribers. So yeah, thank you for joining me on today's video, guys, and